Student, my name is Devendra Singh. I am teaching you elementary quantum mechanics. And in elementary quantum mechanics, topics separation of variables. If psi is a function of three variables, small r, comma, theta and phi. See question 6. To separate the variables, as before we suppose that psi bracket में small r, small theta, phi is the product of the three function capital R bracket में small r, capital theta bracket में small theta and capital phi bracket में small phi, each being a function of one variables only as indicated, and psi bracket में small r, small theta, phi is equal to capital R bracket में small r, capital theta bracket में small theta, capital phi bracket में small phi. For the sake of simplicity, we may write psi is equal to small r dot capital theta dot capital phi. Differentiating this equation to get different derivatives required in equation 6 above and substituting these values in equation 1 upon r square big bracket del upon del r square del square psi upon del theta del square psi upon del r bracket close plus 1 upon sin theta del upon del theta bracket with sin theta del square psi upon del theta plus 1 upon sin square theta del square psi upon del phi square bracket close plus 8 pi square mu upon h square bracket e plus z square upon r bracket close and psi is equal to 0. This is the equation number 6 on page number 1. On page number 2, 1 upon square big bracket capital theta and multiply capital phi d upon dr bracket r square dr upon d small r plus r phi upon sin theta d by d theta bracket में sin theta d capital theta upon d theta bracket close plus r capital R into capital theta upon sin square theta d square capital psi upon d square d small psi square bracket close plus 8 pi square mu upon h3 e bracket में e plus z square upon r bracket close capital R into capital theta into capital phi is equal to 0. This is the equation number 1. Multiplying throughout by r square and dividing by r, capital theta, capital phi, we get 1 upon r d upon d small r bracket में small r square d capital R upon d small r is equal to 1 upon capital theta sin theta d upon d theta bracket में sin theta upon d capital theta upon d theta bracket close plus 1 upon capital psi sin square theta d square capital psi upon d psi small psi square plus 8 pi square mu r square upon h3 bracket e plus z square upon r is equal to 0 on. This is the equation number 2. Writing the terms of the radial variables small r on left hand side and those of the angular variables theta and small phi on right hand side, equation number 2 takes the form 1 upon capital R d upon डी स्मॉल आर ब्रैकेट में ब्रैकेट में आर स्क्वायर डी कैपिटल आर अपॉन डी स्मॉल आर प्लस 8 पाई स्क्वायर म्यू आर स्क्वायर अपॉन एच स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट में ई प्लस जेड ई स्क्वायर अपॉन आर इज इक्वल टू -1 अपॉन कैपिटल थीटा साइन थीटा डी बाई डी थीटा ब्रैकेट में साइन थीटा डी कैपिटल थीटा अपॉन डी स्मॉल थीटा -1 अपॉन कैपिटल फाई साइन स्क्वायर थीटा डी स्क्वायर कैपिटल फाई अपॉन डी स्मॉल फाई स्क्वायर इक्वेशन नंबर 3rd. As small r comma theta and phi are independent variables, equation 3rd holds good if each side is equal to the same constant say equal to beta. Thus 1 upon capital R d upon d small r bracket for r square d capital R upon d small r plus 8 pi square mu r square upon h square bracket e plus z square upon r is equal to beta called the radial equation. On page number 3 and 1 upon capital theta sin theta d by d theta bracket में sin theta d capital theta upon d theta bracket close plus 1 upon capital phi sin square theta del square capital phi upon d small phi square is equal to minus beta called the angular equation. To further separate the terms of theta and phi, multiply equation 5th throughout by sin square theta, thus sin theta upon capital theta d by d theta bracket में sin theta upon d capital theta upon d small theta bracket close plus 1 upon capital phi d square capital phi upon d small phi square is equal to minus b beta sin square theta और sin theta upon capital theta d by d theta bracket में sin theta d capital theta upon d small theta bracket close plus beta sin square theta is equal to minus 1 upon capital phi d square phi upon d small phi square equation number 6. Again this equation holds good if each side is equal to a constant. Using the constant as m square we get sin theta upon capital theta d by d theta bracket में sin theta d capital theta upon d small theta plus beta sin square theta is equal to m square equation number 7 and 1 upon capital phi d square capital phi upon d small phi square is equal to minus m square equation number 8. Thus the Schrodinger wave equation for the hydrogen like atoms has been separated into 3 equations, 4th, 7th and 8th in small r, theta and phi respectively. For hydrogen like atoms it is found that beta is equal to small l plus 1 bracket में where l is 0 or an integer that is l is equal to 0, 1, 2 ये on page number 3 पर है. On page number 4 expression for the angular spherical wave function, the solutions of the equation in theta and psi give the expression for the angular wave function capital theta and capital phi. Equation in the variable small phi is 1 upon capital phi d square capital phi upon d small phi square is equal to minus m square. Its solution to provide the normalized eigenfunction is capital phi m is equal to 1 upon root 2 pi e की power I m small phi, where m is equal to 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, and so on, plus minus L. The positive and negative value represent different possible solution. Equation in the variable theta is sin theta upon capital theta d by d theta bracket में sin theta d capital theta upon d small theta plus beta sin square theta is equal to m square. In solution, putting beta is equal to small l bracket में small l plus 1 is capital theta modulus m नीचे small l comma m under root 2l plus 1 ब्रैकेट में स्मॉल l माइनस मॉडुलस m का फैक्टोरियल डिवाइडेड बाय 2 ब्रैकेट में स्मॉल l प्लस मॉडुलस m का फैक्टोरियल pl मॉडुलस m कोस थीटा. दिस इज द इक्वेशन नंबर, ये ऑन पेज नंबर 4 पर है. ऑन पेज नंबर 5 वेयर pl मॉडुलस m रिप्रेजेंट एसोसिएट लीजेंडर polynomial of degree l and order m defined by the expression p small l modulus m x is equal to 1 minus x square bracket close modulus m divided by 2 d small d modulus m plx divided by dx modulus m. Equation number 3 in which plx is defined by the expression plx is equal to 1 upon 2 की power l modulus small l d की पावर l ब्रैकेट में एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1 ब्रैकेट क्लोज l डिवाइडेड बाय d xl. इक्वेशन नंबर 4. Thus the solution of the angular equation fifth given by capital theta capital phi are called spherical harmonics. Their values depend upon the quantum numbers l and m. The first few spherical harmonics bracket में angular wave functions are given. Function psi is equal to e की power I mx d by dx. Psi is equal to I m e की power I mx is equal to I m psi. d by dx is eigen operator. I m is eigen value for the eigen function. Psi is equal to e की power I mx d by dx is an eigen operator and comma I m is the eigen function for the eigen function. Psi is equal to e की power I mx. The end. On page number 5.